Welcome to Waterloo, Iowa, the heartbeat of John Deere's tractor manufacturing for over a century. This sprawling complex, known as Waterloo Works, the midst of the mad maze that's come the world. For more than 180 years, John Deere has been synonymous with American agriculture. From the demo farm, green and yellow tractors are a symbol here in Waterloo. John Deere's tractor manufacturing network spans multiple facilities across America. The Waterloo Works in Iowa is the heart of large tractor production 8 and 9 series equipment. It all begins here, at the John Deere foundry. Every day, trucks arrive carrying raw iron and steel that will be transformed into the massive components that make these tractors so durable. Inside the foundry, temperatures soar as raw metal is melted at over 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. This molten iron will be poured into molds to create unique castings. Before casting, skilled pattern makers create wooden models of each component. This centuries-old craft ensures that every casting is perfect. These wood patterns are then used to create the molds that shape molten iron into precision components. Every casting undergoes rigorous inspection. Using advanced techniques like X-ray and ultrasonic testing, technicians check for any internal vibrations to ensure they can withstand a lifetime of stress. In frame production, robots work with precision that human hands cannot match. A robot artisanal. These massive steel structures form the backbone of every John Deere tractor, designed to handle the most demanding farming conditions. Each weld point is critical. These frames must support engines weighing thousands of pounds, hoisting forces that would tear ordinary vehicles apart. The steel bridge frame design is a unique selling point of John Deere tractors, ensuring high stability. John Deere manufactures its own transmissions, a point of pride for the company. In dedicated facilities, workers assemble synchronous, power shift, and double clutch from engine to the wheels. The Mannheim plant alone produces around 300 efficient cut on CNC machines, with tolerances measured in microns. These gears must operate smoothly under immense loads for thousands of hours. At the end of the 250-meter assembly line, every transmission is thoroughly tested. All functions are checked before the transmission is approved for installation. This ensures that when a farmer shifts gears, the response is smooth and reliable. While transmissions are built in-house, engines come from John Deere's specialized facilities. The heart of these tractors, the engine, every piston, every bearing, every seal must be perfect. Many engines for John Deere tractors come from the company's engine plant in Saran, France, which produces around. These power plants range from 95 to 550 horsepower depending on the tractor model. Back in Waterloo, the chassis assembly line is where everything begins to come together. The frame moves slowly down the line as workers add components, axles, hydraulic systems, and mounting points for the cab and engine. A modern John Deere tractor contains miles of hydraulic lines that power everything from steering to implement control. These systems operate at immense pressure, and every connection must be leak-free and reliable. The rear axle is one of the heaviest components on a tractor. On 9 series tractors, these axles must transmit hundreds of horsepower to the ground while supporting the weight of the machine and its implements. This is when the skeleton really takes shape, the frame connecting to the rear axle transmission unit. These two components, each weighing thousands of pounds, are carefully aligned and bolted together. Now the heart of the tractor, the engine, is lowered into place. With the frame connected to the transmission, the engine with its radiator and emission control system is carefully positioned and secured. The front axle goes on next. On modern tractors, these axles often feature suspension systems that smooth out rough fields, reducing operator fatigue during long days. Before the cab is installed, the chassis goes through the multi-million-dollar robotic paint system. Every inch receives a durable green coating that will resist rust and look good for decades. That iconic John Deere green isn't just for looks. This industrial-grade paint is formulated to withstand years of sun, rain, and hard use. Workers inspect every surface to ensure the finish is perfect. Meanwhile, at the John Deere tractor cab assembly operations in Waterloo, cabs are being assembled. These climate-controlled environments will become the operator's home during long days in the field. Inside the cab, workers install everything the operator needs: the comfortable air ride seat, intuitive controls, digital displays, and climate control systems. Modern tractor cabs are as sophisticated as any luxury vehicle. The massive glass panels that give operators 360-degree visibility are carefully installed. These windows must seal perfectly to keep out dust and noise while providing an unobstructed view of the field. Completed cabs travel by overhead conveyor to the final assembly line, arriving just in time to meet their matching chassis. This synchronized production ensures efficiency and precision. This is the wedding, the moment when cab meets chassis. About 40 bonds between the cab and frame ensure a permanent connection. Workers carefully guide the cab into place as it descends onto the waiting tractor. With the cab in position, workers secure it with dozens of bolts. Each connection is torqued to exact specifications, ensuring the cab stays firmly mounted through years of bouncing across fields. Now the tractor's nervous system is connected. Wiring harnesses carrying power and data link the cab's controls to the engine, transmission, and hydraulics. A modern tractor contains more computing power than the Apollo spacecraft. With everything connected, technicians perform ECOS testing, an automated system that checks around 200 electronic functions. With modern tractors' complexity, manual testing is no longer possible. Computers verify every sensor and actuator. Then comes the moment the tractor comes alive, the first engine start. Just before the function test, the engine fires up for the first time. The rumble of a big diesel fills the factory as the tractor's systems power on. During the function test, technicians calibrate brakes and steering and upload the engine management program. Every system is checked to ensure it works exactly as designed. Now the tractor gets its shoes. John Deere uses one of Europe's first automated tire fitting systems. Mounting a tire every different tire types available, each tractor gets exactly the right rubber for its intended work. For high-speed tractors, technicians perform matching, aligning the highest and lowest points on tires and rims to ensure perfectly smooth running at 50 kilometers per hour. After wheels are mounted, the tractor undergoes a ramp test. The electronic park lock is tested on an incline to ensure it can hold the massive machine securely, even on hills. Every 10th tractor undergoes a special 30-minute driving and load test, a unique feature in the tractor industry. Engineers evaluate performance, fuel consumption, function under real-world conditions, ensuring reliability before the tractor ever reaches a farmer. On test tracks, specially equipped mobile laboratories hitch to tractors, recording data on the go. Engineers monitor everything from fuel efficiency to transmission performance, carefully documenting results. But lab tests aren't enough. Prototype tractors spend thousands of hours in actual fields, working through 5 cropping seasons before designs are approved for mass production. From Texas to North Dakota, these test tractors prove themselves in real conditions. Tractors must work everywhere, from frozen North Dakota winters to scorching Arizona summers. That's why they're tested in extreme temperatures, both in environmental chambers and at testing grounds across the country. Recently, John Deere invested in a brand new assembly line for their high-horsepower 9RX tractors at Waterloo Works. These behemoths represent the pinnacle of American tractor manufacturing while delivering incredible power. The 9RX uses tracks instead of wheels, distributing its massive weight to protect soil health. Installing these track systems requires precision and care. Each track assembly weighs thousands of pounds. John Deere is also pioneering autonomous tractor technology. These driverless machines are currently in limited production and pilot programs, promising to revolutionize farming by allowing a single farmer to manage multiple machines simultaneously. Before any tractor leaves the factory, it undergoes final inspection. A team of skilled inspectors examines every detail, checking for loose parts, fluid leaks, or any imperfection that could affect performance. Those famous yellow decals are applied by hand. The John Deere logo, model numbers, and safety decals all go on with careful precision. After painting and assembly, these finishing touches give each tractor its identity. From the foundry to final assembly, each tractor represents thousands of hours of labor by hundreds of skilled workers. It's thrilling to see these tractors rolling off the line and into fields, ready to make a difference for farmers. From Waterloo, these tractors begin their journey to farms across America and around the world. Railcars carry them to distribution centers, dealers, and finally, to the farmers who will depend on them for years to come. For farmers, taking delivery of a new tractor is a moment of pride. Look at that beauty. She's perfect for the farm. This model has the latest tech, a real game changer. Wow. This machine represents a partner in their livelihood. When that green tractor finally hits the field, it's the culmination of an incredible journey. From raw iron in Waterloo to their built by Edward, every bolt, every tractor.
John Deere's commitment extends beyond manufacturing. Last year alone, the company and its employees donated 50 hours to local communities. We believe in our employees and invest in their continuous learning.
From the first steel plow in 1837 to the autonomous tractors of tomorrow, John Deere has been part of the American story for nearly 2 centuries. Built in the heartland by American workers, these machines embody the ingenuity, durability, and spirit that made American agriculture the envy of the world. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to All Factory World for more incredible manufacturing documentaries.